Hey everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have two great cutting dies from our friends at Moonstone Cutting Dies from Hunky Dory. This one is the Blossoming Lace Collection, and this is Thanks for Being You and Enjoy the Little Things. And this is what they look like. Here we go. They're 3 pieces. Okay, this is the Enjoy the Little Things, and it has this outer die, the really intricate square die here, and then the greeting, which is Enjoy the Little Things. And then here is the Thanks for Being You. Once again, 3 pieces. And let me show you what my friend Debbie and I made with these. So here is Debbie's card, Thanks for Being You. She used pastel cardstock to make her base, and then used tan cardstock behind the more intricate daisy and floral one. So she cut tan cardstock using this piece, and then from the yellow cardstock she used these 2 pieces together. And then you'll notice there's some color here, some yellow and some green, and then the brown centers, she used the tri-blend markers to color those. And this one here is the citrus blend, and this is the gold brown shade and the light green blend to color her flowers. And then for the centers she used, these are the diamond sparkles. This is the sepia shimmer set. This is one of my wow, I'm having trouble talking today. One of my favorite sets too. And she just added those sparkles at the corners and at the center of her flowers. Here we go. So let me give you an example here of something else you can do with this. Here's a background that I made. I made my base. Oops, I cut it from using this background at the outer die right here. So I started off with the white, and then I just added some pink and some purple. I just used the Cat Eye Q ink pads. Really got great color to that. Get this out and use this. And just to show you, I'll just turn the back over here and you can see what I did. First I used this nice bright pink. There we go. And just added a little color like this. Nice and rich color. And then I went straight to the purple, and I used the lighter purple first. Not even going to clean my brush there. Let's try a little darker. Ooh, real dark on this one. And just blended those together like that. What I ended up with this, and then you can just add your topper right over that and your greeting there, and very, very simple, and you have a really beautiful card background there. Okay, and let me show you another example using the Enjoy the Little Things. Here we go. This one I wanted to do one that it was just sort of white on white. Here we go. And I've got my card base here like this. I cut my card down to fit it. Got my glue. Here's my Cosmic Shimmer glue. So I'm going to have my card fold at the top, and I've got my base here. And with this one, you just want to make sure it's got butterflies on it, that the butterflies are going in the right direction. And they lift up just like that to add some dimension there. Make sure these are all flying with their wings going. And then a great product to use with this, because they are so intricate, are the Sticky Specs adhesive. And they're just like a little honeycomb on each sheet filled with adhesive. And we just love this product. And I should have done this after or before I had lifted up all of my wings. But we'll go ahead and do this. All right, and then you just lift this off. There we go. And then you're going to align this on the white cardstock that was cut out using the outer circle. What shape is this? This is a square. There we go. All right, now you could use the Sticky Specs to attach it to the card front if you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of glue, tack that down. There we go. All right, wings are still in good shape here. And then this particular piece, because it is so intricate, I'm going to go ahead and definitely use the sticky specks on that. There we go. And you just center that here. So you've got that really great white on white. Right. And then I've got some beautiful white flowers here. These are hunky-dory. And I also cut out one of these little butterflies from just a corner, like I ran just a little portion of this cutting die on through my die cutting machine. And then I just cut out just one of the little guys there. All right, so now with this, I want to take it a step further and I want to use some diamond dust on this. See if I can open my jar. So here's the diamond dust, and it's this great stuff. There's these crystals. It's made of actual glass. So you do have to be careful with it that you're not dropping it all over your carpet. There we go. And I'm going to decorate some of these white flowers using some of this diamond dust, and I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some glue directly onto my flower, just onto those petals. I'm not going to try to get any on the flower center there though. All right. And that just becomes this beautiful crystallized flower. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue that right there. I'm just going to use my scissors to kind of give it a little press there to attach that. And then I've got some from our white ribbon set. I've got some of this beautiful iridescent white ribbon. Make my bow with that. Oh, my scissors need sharpening. Here we go. And I'm just going to tuck that right on the other side. My flower, and then I've got my smaller flowers here, and I could put some diamond dust on those, but I want my larger flower to sort of take center stage there, so I'm not going to do that. Go. All right, and we'll put this last one where? How about right there? Make sure we get our. And then we've got this little butterfly, and I'm just going to attach that right at the top, like that. So there we go. We've got this beautiful, very glittery, very pretty white on white card. Opens up like this. I don't want my flower to fall off. So we've got a great money saver on this, you guys. These two really fun, versatile cutting dies. I would definitely suggest that you check that out. If you're watching us on our vlog page, then you would just look right below this video. There's a great big blue button, Money Saver. You can click on that. If you're interested in the items individually, look down at the bottom of the page where you find featured items, and there's links that will lead you to them. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just check out the links in the description box below the video. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.